New in the last 5 minutes. In the last 15 minutes, London market sinks as outsourcing firms turn sour. In the last hour, FTSE 250 movers, IWG and Capita lead index lower. Vodafone drags UK shares into third day of sell-off. In the last 2 hours, update 1. Vodafone drags UK shares into third day of sell-off. Capita 2 opaque for recovery bet, say Jefferies. Deutsche Alibaba Vice Chair, Chinese economy still has plenty of room for growth. In the last 4 hours, Capita is the latest outsourcing firm in trouble. Broker forecast, Numis issues a broker note on Capita Group. The PLC Capita takes market value blow following major overhaul. The problem with outsourcing is not Carillion but the market itself. Tory minister defends outsourcing firms as Capita shares crash further. In the last 6 hours, London transport chief, Capita is performing like a strong organisation. Oh dear. Capita, MPs puts future UK.Gov outsourcing in the spotlight. Update 2. After meeting Capita, Britain says it is not another Carillion. Capita plans to sell Constructionline. After meeting Capita, Britain says it is not another Carillion. Government must get a grip over Capita. MP in the last 8 hours, UK officials met Capita bosses to discuss its financial problems. Capita not comparable to Carillion. Oliver Dowden MP, Minister for Implementation, speaks about Capita. Update 1. British officials met Capita after profit warning. Minister. British officials met Capita after profit warning. Minister. Capita may be no Carillion, but it's still not one for your buy list. British officials met with Capita after profit warning. Minister. Capita CEO announces shake-up as firm issues shock PR. Real disposable income per capita gains in December. Earlier today, outsourcing giant Capita announces profit warning and massive debt. Capita's share price plummets after profit warning. Capita announces profit warning and massive debt. Urgent question on serious financial concerns at Capita. The 1st of February 2018, more than £1 billion write-off value of Capita troubled. Capita says it's business as usual at Architecture Army SA. Capita's new CEO starts revamp with rights issue. Carillion and Capita. How much trouble do companies face? Could Capita be the new Carillion? Irish warning as Capita shares plummet 50%. The expert view. Capita, SSE and Antofagasta. A 3D printed single-side wall give Capita's spring break snowboards an edge. Thursday papers. Shale powers US oil output to heights of 1970. Fears for Capita jobs as it sells off assets. Theresa May denies Capita is in trouble as shares crash after Carillion. Capita Group's profits warning comes as no surprise after recent profit warnings. Could Capita be the next Carillion? Yesterday, Capita don't just provide some services, they run entire councils. Alex Brummer. Hard times for outsourcing firms. No accident. £1 billion sacrifice. Capita investors suffer 48% share crash. Capita share price falls after profit warning. All in a day's work. Hedges book £90 million from Capita crash. European stocks decline for third day, but New York makes gains. Capita spread itself far too thinly. Drop in housing and healthcare stocks sends FTSE 100 to 2018 low. Capita heading towards another Carillion. Capita sees £1.1 billion wiped away, but Whitehall says it's no Carillion. Capita stresses insurance services headwinds in profit warning. Contingency plans being made for Barnett's contracts with Capita. Tuesday the 30th of January 2018. Tenants saved from HDV plot. Capita. The writing was on the wall, but some missed the message. The Guardian view on Capita's woes. Another warning of a system in crisis. Capita's woes. What could they mean for UK IT? Capita shares plummet 40% amid fears of second Carillion. London close. FTSE ends down for January as house builders and Capita drag. Capita shares prices plummet after profit forecast slashed. Update 1. FTSE 100 suffers monthly loss as outsources feel Capita's pain. FTSE 100 suffers monthly loss as outsources feel Capita's pain. Is Capita the next Carillion? BMA seeks reassurance over shambolic Capita following share price drop. Is Capita going the same way as Carillion? Capita PLC's liabilities significantly exceed its assets. Capita profit warning shows outsourcing's woes aren't over.